A huge flash stick and a mini iPhone, a giant player and a tiny laptop, and what's more, there are real snacks and candies inside all of these weird gadgets and devices. Watch new awesome prank ideas in our new video. Redhead has a new hobby. She started her own blog. Now you just can't take her away from her laptop, even on a walk. In order to supply her brain with some glucose and not to put on weight, she eats Tic Tacs. But she doesn't want to share neither her laptop nor her Tic Tacs. Greedy pants? Well, I've got my own mini laptop with a sweet secret inside. Take a used blush container and cover its lid with white acrylic paint. Add a logo using a thin brush so that it looks like a real laptop. Coat the lid with clear nail polish. Attach self-adhesive foil to the inside as a mirror. Fill the container with Tic Tac mints. Add details to the sides. Redhead can't miss such a thing. Here you are, help yourself. And meanwhile, I am checking my Instagram on her laptop. Redhead's got so carried away with my miniature laptop that she gives me her laptop and Tic Tacs without objection. She adores weird stuff, and my mini laptop contains both a mirror and her favorite mints. My friend got a camera for her birthday. She has always dreamt of taking up photography, and she can't put away her camera even for a minute. But she looks for some interesting branches and unusual reflection of light on the leaves instead of taking pictures of her friend. Hey, I'm here! You just can't pass by such a beauty. A live model is not her main interest. Well, I've got a camera too, but it's not a plain one like that. It's a miniature one. Knead sugar paste with black food coloring. Use powdered sugar or starch to prevent it from sticking to your hands. Shape an elongated base for a camera. Make the top part from a small piece of the black paste. Attach it to the base with water. Make a lens looking like a pill. Attach it to the camera. Make an imprint of a lens using a felt tip pen cap. Coat the surface with water to soften the sugar paste. And scratch lines on the lens with a toothpick. Add details with silver food coloring. I focus my teeny camera and take photos. Then I take a bite of the lens. My friend is shocked. Redhead is a real gamer. There is little space on the couch for both of us when she presses buttons on her mobile gamepad. I need to distract her with something immediately, but how? The gods of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must have heard my prayers, and a huge joystick appears in my hands. Grind 2 pounds of sweet crackers in a blender. Pour in 34 fluid ounces of condensed milk. Mix it. Add 4 ounces of melted butter and 2 fluid ounces of milk. We've made a cardboard joystick template wrapped in foil. Put the mixture on it. Shape it into a gamepad. Spread melted white glaze over the base of the cake. Whip up 2 egg whites to make icing. Putting in 10 ounces of powdered sugar gradually. Pour the icing onto the cake and let it harden for a few hours. Roll out colored sugar paste on a board covered with powdered sugar. Cut out a button with a cap. Attach details of different colors and shapes to the cake. Add details with silver food coloring. Wow! I wonder how this giant gamepad works. Redhead presses the button, but nothing happens. A weird joystick. And what if I tear off a button? Tasty! My friend takes drastic measures. She breaks the sweet glaze with a spoon. Redhead joins to help her. They are getting busy with the spoons. This joystick turns out to be a delicious cake. We are walking in a park. I enjoy nature, fresh leaves, and birds singing. And Redhead has been on her phone for